Standard 4, Subject English, Chapter 20, All About Class. Children, have a look at this. This is the Louvre Museum in Paris. It's made of glass. Isn't it beautiful to look at? Glass is one of the most beautiful substances that man has ever made. Look at this ceiling of a dome. It's made of colored glass. It is so very beautiful. Look at this decorative article. Look at this beautiful jar. So many things are made of glass. Look at this lamp your great grandmother must have used. This TV screen, a bulb, the pair of spectacles your teacher is right now using, a glass that you use to drink water, the bottles that your mother may be using to fill things, the glass table in your house, a window pane, even the marbles that you use to play are all made of glass. The pharmaceutical industries, chemical industries use these glass in beakers for making their experiments. The construction company makes use of this glass for their window panes and lifts. The ship industry and the motor industry use glass for their windows and windshields. The mobile screen that you're using right now is made of glass. The monitor screen is also made of glass. But how is this glass made? Children, you will be amazed and surprised to know from what glass is made. Glass is made of sand. Can you imagine this? Sand from the beach, and baking soda and fire. When these things are heated up in a high temperature, that is sand, baking soda on fire, you get glass. But children, it is not ordinary sand. It is sand from the beach, but not from every beach. Thus, that sand should have almost 80% of silica. Silica is a part of sand, and that silica should be more in that sand. Only then that sand can be used for making glass. Now, silica is those things that you find in pouches like this, named as silica gel, in your medicine bottles. If you buy tablets, you may find a small pouch, and if you open that, you will find these kind of small granules. Those granules are silica. That silica is used in your tablet bottle to absorb the moisture. That is exactly silica. Silica will also be used for decorative articles like this amethyst, they say. This silica should be there more in the sand. Only then that sand can be used. So, sand plus soda ash, that is baking soda, limestone, that is what you call in Hindi as chuna, then dolomite, that is another component, and alumina, that is another material. All together, these are the raw materials that is used to make a glass. Children, let us now watch how now let us watch how sand is converted into a bottle. Children, sand is heated like this, and when it becomes a liquid like this, it is sent into through machine into molds. Now, if here it is a bottle industry, so the molds are like a bottle, and the liquid glass is poured into it, and then it is lifted up and kept to cool. How much of energy or heat is used to convert sand into a bottle? So, next time when you break a bottle, be very careful. Now you can see the bottles moving along the conveyor belt for cooling. This is how a sand becomes bottle. Thank you, children.